Alright, here's Avery. And she has the hiccups right now. And they're so cute. Oh, there's this. Oh. They're the cutest little hiccups I've ever seen. It's Mommy's little angel. Hiccup. 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 She's so beautiful. She's so beautiful.
Is she done pooping, babe?
Oh.
Bless you.
Bless you.
She's spitting up some milk there.
Okay. Here's Daddy. Here's Daddy. He was just getting your little diaper ready over there. Because you keep pooping on yourself. Here's Mommy. Holding the baby. And she's asleep again. Where's she going? Okay.